Nehru Nagar is not just a location, but it's among those places where opportunities are rare, and a new project here is worth noticing. Hello everyone, અને હાઉસીમાં તમારું સ્વાગત છે. હું છું તમારી host Jetil, and today we'll be revealing the teaser of very premium project coming up in our Nehru Nagar, Ahmedabad, by one of top builder of Ahmedabad with 35 years of legacy. And in this video, we'll be discussing about project overview, location, amenities, carpet area, booking process, launch discount offers, and many more. But before starting the video, let me introduce you all with Housey. So Housey is nothing but India's first real estate platform that connects home buyer directly with developer, thereby giving you all the bottom rate pricing. अनलाइक करंट लिस्टिंग प्लेटफॉर्म जहां अगर आप एक इंक्वायरी करते हो तो आपका कॉन्टेक्ट शेयर हो जाता है मल्टीपल ब्रोकर्स के साथ, which will ultimately result in too many phone calls. Well, you no need to worry now because Housey is here who connects you directly with builders. Because in Housey, the listing is done by the builders and not the broker. So book your dream home directly with builders on Housey. Now let's start with the project overview, and this project is coming up in 7 acres of massive land with total 10 towers, elegantly rising up to 22 floors, offering you 4 BHK premium residencies with 70% of open space. Now let's discuss about the location part, and this project is located in one of the prime location of Ahmedabad, that is Nehru Nagar in Ahmedabad, जहाँ से आपको IIT Ahmedabad just 5 minutes के distance में मिल जाएगा. ITC Narmada is just 10 minutes away. Ahmedabad One Mall is just 10 minutes away, and SG Highway is also 10 minutes away from the project. Now let's discuss about the amenities part, and this project offers you luxurious amenities like of a wellness club, cafe, landscape garden, kids play area, water features, podcast spot, and many more. Now let's discuss about the carpet area, and this project offers you 4 BHK premium residencies with different variants. You can even choose from terrace apartment, jodi apartment options which are available for you all, where the sizes is ranging from 1550 square feet usable carpet area goes up to 2475 square feet usable carpet area. अब बात करते हैं बुकिंग प्रोसेस की, तो करेंटली हमारा प्रोजेक्ट प्री लॉन्च स्टेज में है जहां हम नॉन बैंकेबल ईओआई कलेक्ट कर रहे हैं. एन इंटरेस्टेड क्लाइंट कैन कम एंड विजिट आवर साइट जहां हमारी सेल्स टीम आपको कंप्लीट प्रोजेक्ट डिटेल एक्सप्लेन करेगी, विल शेयर द पेमेंट एंड प्राइसिंग स्कीम एंड विल शो you the actual land parcel as well. And then if clients like the project, they can proceed for the non-bankable EOI. So everyone, this was a teaser of very premium project coming up in Nehru Nagar, Ahmedabad. Stay tuned on Housey for more updates.
If you have any queries related to the project like pricing, exclusive pre-launch discounts, EOI process, brochure, or you want to do a site visit, you can click on the link mentioned in the description. Our NRI clients from UAE, US, Singapore, UK and other countries can also connect with us on the same link. At last, if you like this video and to watch more such new launch teaser videos, subscribe to our channel Housey.